Hello everyone, here is Anas from Sudo Zain channel. Today we're gonna to solve another CTF room on TryHackMe, which is called Blog. First of all, I deploy this machine. Now it's running, and we have this IP address of this room. I already connected to my VPN on TryHackMe. So as we see here in the description of this room, in order to get the blog to work with us, you will need to add blog.thm to your etc hosts file. So let's start to add this domain to our etc hosts. So nano etc hosts, and we have this room, we have this IP address, and blog.thm, and let's save it, exit. Okay, so now we have everything is ready. First of all, I want to create a new directory for this room, so I will call it blog WordPress, and let's enter to this directory, and now we can do our stuff here. So I will start to scan this machine using Nmap. blog.thm -on to nmap.scan, and let's see. So as we see in here, we have 4 ports which are opened: 22, 80, 139, and 445 for Samba service. Okay, so now I want to discover the SMB service using enum for Linux tool with -u and -s for our blog.thm. Yeah, it's finished. Okay, so now we have a usable information from this output. Yeah, we have this one. So we have 3 shared files. We have printer drivers, we have Billy's local SMB share, and we have the IPC. So I think this shared file is the more important file than others. So now let's try to get inside to this shared file. I will use smbclient blog.thm, and the name of this file is Billy SMB. I will leave the password empty. Okay. Yeah, I'm inside. So we have 3 files, 2 images and 1 MP4 file. Let's download all these files. Yeah, the first one, test Swift. Okay, and the last one, check this. Yeah. I think we don't have any usable information more in this directory, in this shared file, so I can exit from here, and let's see what we have. We have the Alice, check this, and test Swift. Okay. I will use the stegseek tool to crack and extract hidden files from the file. First of all, from the Alice, and I need to mention my RockU file here also. Yeah, so we found something. Passphrase is empty, original file name rabbit hole, and extracting to this one. Okay, let's open this file and let's see what we have inside. What we have here, you have found yourself in a rabbit hole, friend. I don't know what does it mean, So let's go ahead. Okay, so now let's try to extract the another files. Check this PNG. We don't have anything here. And let's check the last file, which is mp4 test swift. Yeah, also we don't have anything here. If we go and try to open it, TryHackMe blog WordPress. Let's try to open these files. First one is check this PNG. Okay, it seems a QR code. I checked this QR code using my phone and it redirects to a video music on YouTube. So really I don't know why did he mention this video in this file. So, but let's see. And what we have here, it's a video clip for some music. Okay, I think nothing important. Let's go ahead. Now I want to visit the page. Blog.thm. Yeah, so now we have, it's a blog for Billy Joel's IT blog. He has a note from mom. Okay, so let's check view page source. Let's check the view page source. What is it? Yeah, I think it's a WordPress. Yeah, I think it's a WordPress. So Control F, WordPress. Yeah, it's a WordPress. And yeah, it's a WordPress. And the version of this WordPress is 5.0. So now we can answer some questions on the TryHackMe room. What CMS was Billy using? It's a WordPress. And what version of the above CMS was being used? As we've seen before, it's 5.0. Yeah. So we have 5.0. Okay. What we can do it. So I want to check the robot.txt. Robot.txt. This allows WP admin, but allow WP admin ajax.php. Okay. Something another important what we can do from here. Log in. Yeah, we can log in, but we need a username and password. So it's a WordPress which has a version 5.0. Let's search if we have any vulnerable for this version of WordPress. WordPress 5.0. Yeah, we have several vulnerables. We have image remote code execution using Python script, remote code execution using JavaScript, and we have crop image shell upload with the Metasploit. Okay, so let's see if we run the Metasploit msfdb, what we need to run this exploit. Net. And now msf console. Now search about the WordPress again, search WordPress 5.0. Yeah, we have it. So we have this one, WordPress crop image shell upload. Let's use this. Let's use this exploit. No configured. Okay. And now options. Let's see what we need to run this exploit. As we see, so we need a password, our host, and we need a username. So we need a password and username to authenticate. So now we need to find a username and a password for this username. So let's try to use WPScan. Open tab, WPScan. So as we see, I have some issues with this tool and I can't use it. So I will enumerate this page manually. So let's get a valid users from a WordPress site by brute forcing users IDs. Author equal, and this equal 1. Yeah, okay, so we have a Billy Joel, which has a username bjoel. I will save this username to my notes. bjoel usernames.txt. And let's now find another user. Author equal to page not found. Let's find another user. Yeah, so with ID number 3, we have another user which has a login kwheel, Karen Wheeler. So echo kwheel to usernames. Yeah. Let's find if we have more users. Equal 4, equal 5, and no, we don't have anything. I will try now to get information about the users from this URL, wp-json, wp v2 and users. And yeah, so as we see here, we have that first user is a Billy Joel. His username is bjoel, and the second author is Karen Wheeler, which has a kwheel username. Okay, so we have just 2 authors in this WordPress room. And now let's try to brute force and log in as one of them. I tried to use Hydra and Burp Suite to brute force, but both of them doesn't work correctly. So I'm gonna to use a Metasploit framework with a payload which is called WordPress login enum. So let's see. Search WordPress login enum. Okay, and we have this module. Let's upload it. Use 0. Yeah. Options. So as we see here, to run this module, we need a pass file and our hosts and user file. So set pass file root rocku.txt and you set user file usernames.txt and set our hosts, which is a blog.thm. And that's it. And let's run this It took a lot of time to load the whole raw queue word list. So I will stop it. I want to divide my raw queue word list into small parts, and the first part will contain the first 3000 words from the raw queue. Head -n 3000 root raw queue.txt into raw queue 3000.txt. Yeah, so now we have first file which has a raw queue 3000, and let's now set pass file root TryHackMe blog WP and the raw queue 3000. And now we can run. So I stopped it, and we found the password for kwheel login, which is qtpy1. Awesome. Let's try to log in to this page. Kwheel and qtpy1. So this is the correct login and password for this room. So we have now the login, we have the password. So now we can use our exploit. I will save this password into my notes. Echo. I will save it in the same file, usernames.txt. Okay. Now let's search again for WordPress 5.0. Let's load this exploit. Options. Yeah, so first of all I want to set the password, which was qtpy. Second, I will set the rhost blog.thm. Third one, I will set the username, which was kwheel. And one more thing, I need to set the my IP address to get the reverse connection. So I will check what is my IP address. Is this set lhost. Let's check the options again. So we have set it. Password, rhost, username, and the lhost. So now let's exploit this module. Yeah, and we have here the information, the Metasploit session 1 opened. Awesome. Yeah, and we have the Metasploit. Okay, so I will get the shell. Who am I? Yeah, I am here. First of all, I want to upgrade my shell to be stable. I will get the shell again. And who am I? Yeah, and again. I will copy it. Yeah, and we have the shell. ls-la. Okay, so let's check the home directory. Let's navigate to Joel directory, ls-la. Yeah, and we have the user.txt. Let's check it. You won't find what you are looking for here. Try harder. Okay, so it's not our target. We have something here. We have the PDF file. A bash history, it will be empty. So let's find name user.txt def null. We have found just this file, which is in Visual directory. Okay, so let's navigate to root directory and find something here. For the root also we don't have anything. Let's find if we can get anything for root.txt def null. We don't have anything. Sudo -l. No, we don't have any sudo permission. So let's find about SUID files. Perm -u equals s def null. Okay, so we have here, so we have the passwd, new group, big exec, sudo. We have found a lot of files, but one of them is weird. A bean file, which is bean checker. I will check this binary file in GTF or beans. Checker. No, he doesn't have this file. So let's run this binary file checker. Okay, it's just output a text, not an admin. So now I want to see, or I want to check which libraries are called by this binary file. For this purpose, I need a ltrace tool. I will check if ltrace tool is installed here. Yeah. So now I want to use ltrace against checker. Okay, so it gets the admin environment variable and prints out not an admin. So if we set, I will check environments. If we have environment variable called admin, no, we don't have. So I want to set this variable admin and give it any character, for example 0. So now I want to ltrace this binary file, and yeah, ltrace get environment admin, set user id 0 and system bin bash. So now it tries to run a bash. So let's run the checker without ltrace, and yeah, since this owned by root, so it run bash as root. Who am I? I am a root. So now I can find name user.txt def null. Yeah, so we have another file called user.txt in media.usb. So let's open this file. And yeah, we have the flag for user. Submit. And where was user.txt found? in media USB, and just we need the root.txt file. I think the root is in root directory, yeah, cat root.txt, and we have it, and this is the flag of root. And yeah, that's all. We have all files here. Credits, just click completed, and yeah, we have completed this room. And thank you for watching, and see you in another video.